Right, hello YouTube. I'm waiting for the London close to see what this candle does. Because this stop loss is anyway too big to buy. But if it closes above, it should continue up to fill the candles on the left. Finding the entry with a small enough stop loss. There's more. Thinking however, then ... nothing.
Listen, I'm a slow typer, okay?
Okay.
Actually, this could very well be range as well.
Could very well what?
The range as well.
I think if you're using the higher time frame, then it's sells only. But if you drop down to the 30, then you will see buys. And then as long as you know that you're buying counter trend, then it's fine.
No, even on the 30, I'm seeing sales as well, to be honest. If this candle manages to close and make another lower resistance, then this is making me more inclined for it to come back down. Stop pulling back down.
What, GJ?
Gold.
Oh,
On
yeah.
GJ, do I see 150? 150.
If you see Alexi from that swing to the low swing, tap to 61.8 also.
Yeah, I know.
And then start retracing down slowly. You have the positive news coming out at 4 p.m., half hour after NYSE open. So I think,
Could be getting ready to stop breaking back down.
yeah, get these lower lows formed. Well, I would love to catch that. The news is gonna move this. News is gonna move this. Something crazy.
Buy above. Do I see a push to 150? Honestly, this level here, right, the red box is, I think like what? Aiden said it, this is like a daily and a 4-hour zone, so this close needs to be, I don't know, I'm not very convinced by this close yet, that's why if it does do a nice strong close, then yes, you should be able to fill this to 150, 300. $200 level. This resistance here. Yeah, we can hold on the.
Sorry.
No, it's okay. We can hold this level here. Form support, then go up. Possible for buys.
Oh.
$200.
GG's about to make a fresh support of 15.
Yeah,
That's exactly
it
what
is.
it's doing.
Yeah, there's a resistance on the left also here. Yeah, he's holding that area, which is interesting.
It broke up. It's holding it. Oh man.
Yeah.
Only thing I don't like is you have the daily resistance area. You know how I always target the bodies? It's almost at the bodies. It's gonna give you a big reaction at the bodies. I'm not touching it. Unless it's for 10 pips today, cause this is madness.
Yeah, Aiden, I see also. That's why I drew this box in red, because I'm very wary when price breaks out of this area. Because I don't want to see a fake out and then come back inside.
This is gonna get some folks right here. Watch. That shit's about to have me crying.
I think this is doing some nonsense. I don't trust the support being formed yet.
Good morning, Alakshi.
Bruh, how come you never say good morning to me? I'm very sad.
Because I am special. Haha.
Ed,
Did I just get kicked from the Zoom?
Maybe he thinks that the stream is by Alexianor.
What the
Oh.
Alexi FX?
Is it because Alexi is a dude?
Ooh, sexism
Wow.
card. Wow.
Wow, so sensitive. Bro, you're so dramatic this morning.
Because it's funny.
Look at the 1 hour close on gold. Jeez.
You close
Closes
above
like
that
that.
range. Yeah, but I think, okay, those that were saying they need a close, it depends on your plan, right? For me, this red zone is precarious for me. So earlier on, I think Jay was also asking if there's a strong close above this, do I buy? If that was your plan, you already have the confirmation to buy. But for me, I need the retest. So I'm not buying this breakout because I've seen too many times it fakes out at London Open and then I get stopped. So I don't really care about the breakout. I care more about the retest. And this retest now on the 15-minute is not looking very strong to go up for longs. Yeah, so if your rules say take let this candle close above, enter, then go. That is your plan. It's just that this is quite high up to buy though. How would you pull your fib on this?
Imagine G just starts pushing. No, and then the budget it just chills.
It might. Yeah.
Selling gold. Just debate on where to put my stop loss before I snipe the button.
That means that you drew your fib correctly this time. You know how I know you drew from right to left? It's because of this dotted line. That's why I said your price points just now, you went from here to here correctly. It's just that you dragged your mouse this way. Yeah, but as long as you got the swing, if you got the swing low and swing high correct, it's fine. It's just that your lines will expand into this area, that's about it.
Thank you.
This fib is moving though, right? You readjusted it.
Yeah, I readjusted to the new high and the new low that formed on 1 hour. Indeed.
What the hell?
I see a rejection in 1 minute.
On the bottom?
No, I'm just kidding.
I see nothing, I see range. This breakout, right? Usually if the London volume is strong enough to push this, it will have broken out, created this one candle here. The next candle will have broken the highs already. The fact that this stupid bullish candle didn't even break the highs, I was like, fuck, it's gonna range.
Yeah.
Yeah, and if you look at particularly these two candles, right? The way I see is this was the high, not broken. This was the low, not broken. Stuck.
Yeah, that thing. Crazy.
Yeah, it's stuck now. By
But I'm thinking about selling.
I don't see the sales yet, but it
Yeah,
might
that's the
come
thing.
true later. The sellers get pissed off and then they start to come down because this area here on the higher time frame, what I'm seeing, go left. But the sales are a bit tough though, because if you look at the 4 hour, right, what I saw is wedge, like higher low. Okay, shit, that's a very bad line. Higher low here, and then now this high broken already. Yeah. So the buyers are pushing from the bottom. It's just that at the current price that we are at, it's very hard to buy. Because they did hold this area previously. So obviously they're not going to let it go up so easily, right? Plus I think this previous break here, one track. Yeah, this is 61. So it's going to be a fight. What a dumb area to be at. For a retest of the close above 4-1.
Damn.
Take out incoming!
What the fuck is that?
Fake out incoming? Question mark?
Oh my god, important sheet. So, oh, do.
Close above 411. I think I'm waiting for it to push up, retest. Somewhere around like you guys are looking at like 200-ish area. Then push up again. This Forex at trend line zone is quite useful.
Really?
As in, I don't know, I just drew it up. Like, it helps me see things better.
Well, Roy said to me before, I remember that trend line is the strongest tool you can use.
Is it?
Yeah, but not for me.
Why does he think it's the strongest?
I don't know. For me, just manipulate. I think it's just to draw direction.
All the colors. So it's not so messy. Ooh, someone fell down.
Nice.
Maisa, are you okay?
Yeah, sorry, I wasn't.
Oh, she fell in the toilet. That was a poop.
Damn.
Bling, 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 bling.
No, that's the door, the shed door.
Them blaming the dog.
Sorry, no. Sorry. Just the door, not the dog. And the...
She's
Oh, the
blaming
dog.
both now. Damn. Oh my god. You little shit. I help you. I finished the script for you.
Thanks.
Oh, can you hear my music?
No. Oh, look at
Should
this.
increase the volume.
Oh, don't do that. Look at this. See, I'm just trying to find confluence, yeah? So this trend line this trend line is holding so far, right? And then I have this resistance level here. So I just marked up the confluence area. Then I was like, let's plot a flip to see whether it fits. Oh damn. Look at this price point. 149, 200-ish area. So those that were looking at that area, I think you can watch out.
Thing is, if I'm not selling now, I'm gonna wait until 4 hours close. See how the candle form. Patience.
Patience.
Hi, good afternoon.
What up?
Hi, Mati.
Hi, Mati. You just wake up, Mati.
Yes, it's Mati.
I woke up so late today.
I can hear it in your voice, bruh.
Yeah,
Are you still sad?
yeah, very sad.
You buy again? Or you have never buy for this week? You reload?
Look at that, Angela. I miss you.
Oh, it's a prank. Why you prank me?
Oh, my neck. Wait, what's the prank?
What's the prank? What do you mean?
What do you mean? You have an ill name every day, then.
Bro, your name is Ew.
Alexi,
Hmm?
in IC market, the daily has no lower week, right?
On GJ,
Yeah.
it's got a tiny low wick
Really?
on the
As
Yeah.
an apple.
yeah.
Oh, on tick meal they don't.
I
have.
know, you keep telling me cannot, but you're not listening.
Not listening.
It's a prank, bro.
Where's the prank, bro?
It's a prank.
What's a prank?
Stop. Oh, go. Bye bye. See you.
And gold's crashing, man.
Wait, do you guys not buy this?
Nope. Missed the entry.
As in the buy limit order.
Nope.
Aye, what the fuck? Damn GG. It's about to go up.
Tapped it.
Yeah, you tap the top and then straight went up. L, they made me do it. It's not my idea.
Oh, okay. Who is they? Come.
Tuesday.
They made me do it. I swear.
Okay.
Tuesday. He just saying day, but he's not saying names. I don't get it.
Don't want.
L, they're leaving me for dead. They're not saying anything. Fuck them.
Look at Angela, see? There is no we, there is you and I. Oh, too bad.
Wow. Wow.
Angela Banks.
Damn.
Angela
Guala.
Banks.
Guala.
Yes, sir.
Sell GG now.
No, I'm in gold cells.
Nice.
Why is it putting my alarm in that it's already crossing? Come on, bro. It's not even crossing yet. Fucking idiot. Crossing, moving. They should just make tapping.
It's the spread also, I think. That's why sometimes the alarm is a bit late.
Yeah, it's on Tradingview though.
Yeah. You see, there's a spread on the top left.
Well, I have my spread line turned off always on that.
Yeah, if you turn it off, the spread still exists.
Yeah,
I
bro.
know.
Bro.
That's
I
why
know, I
the
just have
alarm
mine
is late.
turned off.
Mhm.
I just have mine turned off all the time. Just have that one line, you know?
Mm.
Yeah, same as mine.
Yeah, because that other spread line, it distracts me. It's
Very
weird, but
close.
it's true. But my barber is here. I'm about to get my hair cut. I'll see you guys in an hour or so.
Bye bye.
Wait.
I'll stay on the Zoom, but
No.
Kick him.
Don't hop the Zoom. Bye bye. Oh, he kicked himself.
Alright, lock.
I didn't kick myself.
Lock the
Nah,
Zoom.
since I heard that, I'm about to leave though. I ain't coming back. Go cry to my barber and I'll tell him all my friends are mean.
Yeah,
Alright.
get your trim on Zoom, I wanna see.
What?
Just put your webcam while the barber shaves
He's
your head.
trimming.
You crazy? That's weird as fuck, bro.
Oh, it's a prank, bro.
Everything's a prank, Martin.
Yeah, everything. Literally everything. But alright, I'm out of here. You waiting at my door in the cold.
Oh god.
Don't see any sell signals on gold though.
Bro, I left gold, you know. I couldn't decide where I wanted to place my stop.
Your stops at break even.
Huh?
Is
No, I'm
your
in for the re-entry now.
wait, you re-entered?
I was planning to, but I left it because I couldn't decide where I wanted to put my stop.
But where's your original stop loss?
Still at 1 hour. But I think I can move it on, to be honest. If it does manage to hold this, seeing as it managed to hold the 61.8, I made the lower hand of 4 hour.
Anyways, I don't think I'm trading today. Probably
I don't believe you anymore. I don't know whether it's a prank.
Oh, I want to play my game.
Oh, look at this esports man.
Quite addicted already.
Martin's so mean. How's he gonna prank L like that? Wow.
It was Alexis' idea. L.
Yeah, no, it wasn't.
Oh, you don't use
39.
the buy limit anymore?
No, I haven't used it in a while.
Why?
I haven't even really traded actually. You bought it with the buy limit or you didn't take?
I didn't take. Like these past few days is very hard for the buy entries. The buy
Yes.
limits.
Yeah, exactly. Because it will miss. It will come damn near, then will miss.
Yeah.
Yeah, Andy, I saw this. Like the only I'm looking back to see how I could have caught this, right? The only one I can see the shots, the signal that I'm looking for is this area was resistance, right? So this was my first signal. This candle here. And this one. After this. But I think it's hindsight also. But this resistance was holding and it held inside this candle. The buyers failed to break that high. Yeah, that was the only way I could have shot it.
I analyzed last night after the daily close, right? So I did a top-down analysis, and then 1 hour later my alert get hit. So I wanted to sell from 1739.
Damn.
But again, before I sleep, right? And God, I'm not used to gold for the moment. And damn Daniel.
I hope no one is called Daniel on my stream.
Maybe the 5-minute keep it a bit above the wicks.
You sell it based on the 4 hour? 4 hour FIP? Or what? Is it a FIP?
It bounced off a 61.8 and made a resistance there on the 4 hour swing.
No, LOL is not Wilson, I think it's Rico.
No, I think it's just for me at the moment. Only sell for me, in my opinion, in gold.
Yeah.
But the 4 hours have a huge week.
Bro, that 61.8 was damn accurate.
I'm waiting for buys for gold.
Yeah, actually,
I want to see if it does the 1710 area. Then hopefully I'm ready for buys over there.
There is big news for gold tomorrow. On Friday, not tomorrow.
We are NFP, yeah.
Yeah, it's NFP. It's on Friday. Tonight there is also news. It's ADP.
Try it, NFP. Come on, guys.
NFP does nothing really.
Go big or go home.
But imagine this month it does something.
Yeah, and then
Like you think,
it
oh,
flew.
yeah, oh,
It
it does
flies
nothing.
to
It does nothing. Then suddenly it just flies 800 pips in 15
in
minutes.
like in 15 minutes candle it goes to 2000.
And imagine you buy it. Oh,
And then you sell your house first to deposit.
Today is Wednesday, right?
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I thought today was Thursday because the person said tomorrow.
Is there initial jobless
Yeah,
what's it
today.
called? Oh, it's today.
Yeah, ADP is Wednesday, then NFP is Friday. So trade safe. Please don't blow your account this week. It's very stupid.
I will never blow my account.
Never say never. Because your loss limit is only 10%, bro. That's blowing already.
Wow, EA is ranging.
But the thing is, you know those people that trade the news during like high impact news, right? It's already stated damn clearly that you cannot trade. Then why they still go and trade? Greedy, I think. Go and gamble the news that, oh shit, I flouted rules.
I think they're quite used to it already. Gambling.
Trading news?
Yeah.
Oh, no, sorry, gambling on news. You were right.
I think in Nigeria you have to trade by news.
Bruh.
Fundamental pip lot.
Guys, GG is gonna come back down, trust.
Just ranging, not touching it.
No. 15-minute drop. 3,
Eh?
2, 1.
Oh.
Oh!
Literally said 3, 2, and then the candle flip bearish.
Bro, this actually drops now that I'm gonna commit Sudoku.
Sudoku? You're gonna
You're
commit.
play it for 2 hours.
Yeah.
You're
Non-stop.
gonna commit Sudoku. Oh damn! That's a real punishment there. Committing Sudoku.
Same, Daniel.
I feel like I have masking tape on my charts.
Yeah.
Or the grey box. Yeah, but I'm waiting at the here. Waiting at what's this price point? Around 180 to 200.
See, if you put your buy limit there, you would have a hair shot.
And I will be crying now. As it's coming down.
Profits.
But bro, the stop loss very big.
30 pips.
Yeah, that's why.
Okay, what 30 pips? I think it's okay.
30 on
Oh,
the
wow.
15.
Yeah.
It's actually coming down. What the fuck did I do?
Go, you are banished to the waiting
the
room.
fuck did I
Off
do?
you go. Off you go. Okay, welcome back.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Welcome back. You may
Okay.
have you pondered upon your sins?
What sins?
Actually, I want it to come down so I can buy.
Johnny Sins.
Who's Johnny Sims?
Google it.
He's
No.
The most influential
the
man
most
on earth.
influential man on earth, bro. Like this guy, he does
And-
everything.
Yeah.
He does everything. He's amazing.
Is it
Teacher.
Googleable?
He's
Like
a
everyone wants to
He's
be
a teacher.
like
He's an astronaut. He's a chef. Even
he's a policeman. He's a firefighter.
he was a soldier at one point.
Is it Googleable?
No, it's Johnny Sins.
Is it?
He was also a football coach before.
No, now Andy is talking nonsense already.
Bro, seriously.
Don't be. Can I search
Not
this on?
Sims. Sins.
Bro, see, I knew it.
What? Nothing wrong.
You suck. I knew it.
What's wrong?
I saw the word.
What?
Yeah. I saw already, you're ass.
Can you not be judgmental? You know, that's his career.
yes.
You know.
When you guys said so many careers, I should have been careful. Now I have a question. How come so many of you know who this person is?
He's the most
Oh.
influential man on
everywhere.
earth.
The most influential man on earth, bro. Like, have you not
Bro.
seen him on Instagram? Wow.
No, obviously not, bro.
You know, El, I grew up with the inspired by him.
Okay,
Like
now,
my life coach.
I think I should have guessed when you said his name was SINS.
I think that's his real name, right?
Don't think so. Sounds like a stage name.
I think that's his real name, if I'm not wrong.
No, I'm not going to search it again.
Okay, now search a real Lil Black.
No, I know that one is trash.
No, search Kendra last.
No.
Such
Pick
a
the
Bella
game.
Danger. Now that I have missed gold.
Bubble comes fancy.
Because he's rich.
Now that
I
I have
would.
missed gold, I must cry. Time to turn off my camera and cry.
Now's a good time to buy. Oh my god.
There is a support though, to be fair.
But the
Under
best
1 second.
Also 61.8.
Bruh.
Yeah, it's coming to a 1 hour support actually. At
buy it.
17.24.
Probably buy it at 17.10 if it goes there again. Invest in gold. 100 pip stop loss.
Account size as stop loss.
Oh shit, it is a 61.8.
You go blow your nose.
Bro.
Inappropriate.
Damn, Daniel.
Inappropriate these sounds on the Zoom. I got kids around.
Inappropriate.
When do you swallow the alphabet and when do you not swallow the alphabet? Like bottle, they say bottle. Why not inappropriate?
Bottle.
No, I'm just joking.
Bottle.
Bottle.
They only say that I think with T, right, Alexi?
With the T?
Yeah. To be honest, it depends if you're saying it fast as well.
Huh?
So like,
I think it
if
depends
say like
on the
water
person
is
you're
gonna be
talking
slow, that also.
How slow can it be?
Water.
Bruh.
Give me some water, please.
How slow can it be?
I don't fucking know. Try. Oh, it's
Sway.
That's
很潮
enough.
Noisy.
Noisy. Oh? And you see what you just saw? That would be me if I was living in Singapore.
What? I didn't say anything. I'm
The
still
lie.
looking at gold.
Why are you looking at gold? Are you crying? Oh, let's
I wanna
buy it
buy.
actually. Look. Oh, look at that rejection of 618. Wow. And let's do it. Come, bro. If you do it, I'll do it.
Where's 61.8? Where are y'all looking? Oh, the latest swing.
Swing my ass.
I don't know, man. He's making lower lows and lower highs on the 1 hour. Don't know about the buys.
No, it's gonna make a higher low. Watch, observe.
Is Guala's mic on? I hear him getting a trim.
No, that's my background. There's somebody
that's-
drilling.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, is
That's
that?
Kenneth having a stream. Mr. Kenneth.
There, you can hear that, right?
No,
Is it very
no,
loud?
no.
That's my neighbor.
Is this just fantasy?
Get this, Alexi.
We are on you.
I bet he's still singing.
Yeah, I know.
I get bullied every day.
No, you don't. The automatic trigger
Wow, sure is.
is ranging.
GG is anjing.
Branding.
Anjing?
Okay, I'm gonna play my game. I'm gonna come back at New York.
Bye bye.
Yep, bye.
Oh, Andy, your trade just now was disgusting, man. How did it push?
As far as it could be.
Now you know you gotta trust your analysis. You saw it on the... Oh, I know why. It's because it wasn't a 1 hour close candle.
Yeah, it wasn't. That's why it's a huge week in 1 hour. But yeah, I said it like 15 minutes since I'm gonna go.
Yeah, you said it. I went to relook.
But it's okay. Next time.
Many more times ahead.
50%.
Instant FTMO pass.
Make a video of it. How to
Wow.
pass FTMO
In one trade.
in 15 minutes.
Cough.
Corona.
Oh, hate.
Whoa. Dot.
Okay, let's see. What's the next steps on GJ?
I want it to come over here. Oh, that is not a nice circle. That is too wide. Fat fingers.
Oh, they have a circle also, right?
Let's come. Come over here. Then we sell.
See my circles?
No.
So perfect.
Wow, so thin.
GJ is playing.
You're gonna keep dropping in 3.
That's taking a while. Alexi, are you there?
Why 3 takes so long?
In 3.
Is your internet by BT?
Bro. Wow. You even bully my internet.
Next step is 550 level. Yeah. Let me make this chart bigger. $550, yep. Support here on the left on the 15. Yes, sir. Mr. Heisenberg, you are correct.
Lol.
I think GJ's gonna range.
Lol.
Lol. Range to London. Wait, the speech is quite long. I remember reading. The speech is an hour, then after that more people are coming on to talk. Oh.
What is it? The budget?
I think
But
the
the thing
actual
is-
announcement is at 12:30.
Yeah. But after that other people are talking, right?
I don't know.
There's something at 4 p.m. if I'm not mistaken.
I think after that they have lunch.
After they have their tea and crumpets.
Hey yo, that's racist.
No, it's not.
I know.
It's fact.
Do you guys watch TV?
No.
Okay.
Furlough scheme. What's the furlough scheme?
It's the money that you get from the government.
For the Roros?
You're not. They give it to the company, and then the company gives it to you, like the company that you work for.
Oh.
If you are not able to do your job.
Oh.
If you are sucks.
Damn, 80% of your salary, that's a lot, man.
No, that's not a lot actually.
80% of your salary.
For doing nothing.
Yeah, for doing nothing, bro. Sitting
That's
at
a lot
home.
for doing nothing.
Yeah.
Are they still also receive the original salary?
No,
No,
that.
because the company cannot pay, so the government is stepping in to help them pay.
Yeah, the thing is like 80% of it, but they still have to pay rent and other stuff.
Yeah, that's why I think the government is stepping in to help them. To know the time. That is 8:30, and then oh, Forex actually didn't even update the time. Best website.
Lol.
Lol. You know, last night I ate rojak, satay, and I bought chicken wings back. I feel like a fat fuck now. I feel like my neighbor.
Wow. Sneaky. They're gonna sit on you.
Oh damn. Usually you eat fruit with rojak sauce. No, it was dough sticks, youtiao, and cucumber, and I don't know what's the other things. Hi GJ, please come back so I can buy. I'm very bored. You know what? This week is so fun. I don't need to journal. Except for Monday. Oh, look at that. Sellers don't like this size.
Whoops.
Oops.
My bad, buyers.
Oh, I saw the yesterday. Where is it? This BBC article said that the budget speech is at 12:30 GMT, last 1 hour, but then after that, there's. Why do they debate the budget after the budget is out?
I don't know. Backwards in it.
Yeah. Is Tiger Woods still playing golf? Like professionally? I think he still is, right? Before his accident.
He had an accident.
Yeah, he had a very bad accident.
Damn.
Police released Tiger Woods dashcam video. Oh shit. Oh, he was drunk. Oh my god, look, he can't even walk straight. It's damn bad.
Damn.
Bro, and he was driving. What the hell?
He's lucky to be alive.
Yeah. Found asleep in his car. Oh, this is damn bad. Oh, he's lucky to be alive, man. Candle going down in Frankfurt open. Yeah. Rico, don't overthink it. Just trade what you see. It's just that this week, London has a lot of fake outs, so just trade what you see. The old video. Oh shit, this is damn old. Sorry, my bad. Fake news.
Uh-oh.
Oops, L gave fake news.
You will go to the jail.
Oh no. No, only my country's fake news, then I'll go jail. Oh, his whole car just broke down, damn.
I think my brain is lagging these past few weeks. I've been too slow to make decisions.
I need to put my bin outside.
Take me with you. I need to go in the bin.
Oh, what's up, guys?
Hey Vic.
Oh.
Hi.
How y'all doing today?
Just chilling.
I see.
The person was packaged at the incident. The terms this guy is using so funny.
Yeah, I think they said it wasn't any serious injuries, so
Maybe they're being a bit more careful because it's Tiger Woods. If they injured him in the extrication, they were gonna get sued so badly. So that's why they're being very careful about what they're saying, I think. His speech is so distant.
yeah, because I mean, I think they already talked to him. Yeah, they said it was nothing life-threatening, so
But I
he
think
should
he
be
has a
fine.
lot of injuries.
So he's been having injuries on and off golf. Well, he's old.
How old is he?
Old. Too old even for golf.
5. Wow, this person functionally Woods is operating with a body of a 60-year-old. Wow.
Well, because the thing is, like for golfers, your back is everything. That's where like everything comes from. The problem was when he was younger, his what's the word? The way he played, like he used the power in his back a lot. So it really messed up his back to the point where he had to change up his game. So that's the reason why like he was great in his 20s and then like he kind of like flopped in his 30s because he messed up his back so much.
Sucks.
I mean, but he's good now. He's back on top now, basically. He put in the work.
Bye, Rona. We can chill for today, come back tomorrow. Because the budget is quite long. 8:30 to don't know how long. Because they're having debate after that also. Savannah, don't look at Forex Factory. On Financial Juice, it's 12:30 PM GMT. See what GU is doing. It's probably ranging also. Ooh. Ranging here. How about GA? Oh my god. Gross. Offshore official, I don't have any buy signals to buy. This is range. See this area here? Price is not doing anything. Don't have FOMO, please. Not today. This is already past. This move here, past. Price was supposed to go like this, pull back, go up if the bullish momentum is still there, but it ended up doing this. So no buys. Not yet. Yeah, Oogie, what's up? No, it wasn't. I don't know. I'm the only one who has the mic on now.
Well, GJ.
Yes. So I suddenly just died. No more, nothing already, not moving.
Yeah. It's really like I said earlier, if I didn't sell, I think 4 hours, so just waiting for 4 hours to decide.
Yeah. But you can see the range very clearly. Look at the 1 minute, it's doing nothing.
Yeah.
Down, up, down, up. Let me see. 15 pips. Meh. We have a question about the current take profits I use. Yeah, what's up? No one by RR, right? Yeah, I take 50% off at 2R. And then I lock my stop loss.
Hey Al.
Hmm?
Is it okay if you go to the GBP
Mm.
Would you consider taking buys if there's a 15-minute rejection from the resistance, from the support, I mean? Once it closes bullish, rejecting the low. Yeah, from that support, that recent resistance turned support you have.
You want to take buys from here? When it
Um,
closes bullish.
Yeah, when the next candle rejects the low and then forms a bullish candle.
Yeah, so he has to. So I'm looking around this area. around this 50 level, because there's a lot of confluence between the support resistance, which is this level, and the trend line, which is this level. So I'm waiting to see if price can form a support at this, around this area. Then I'll take the long, so I'll be watching the 15.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
does the news matter to you? The final services PMI at I think 5:30 our time.
Oh. I totally forgot about the PMI. What time is it now?
It's 5 going 5.
I think. Wait, let me see how big this range is. I think it depends on whether or not you are able to lock your stop loss before that, because sometimes the PMI doesn't always affect the pound. Sometimes only. So I'm not very sure. But if you are afraid that there will be some effect, right, then don't take it first. Anyway, the PMI comes out at 5:30 our time. The 4-hour candle closes at half an hour after that. I think it's better to wait for the 4-hour to close. Then at least you can avoid the PMI also.
Yeah.
Because if you buy it, right, then let's say now the 4-hour is closing bullish, correct? But when the next 4-hour candle opens, if it wicks down, it might get your stop loss also. Because it's a 4-hour candle, it might come down to test either this resistance here. If not, it might come to test the higher one here. Then I'm not sure if the stop loss has space.
That makes sense.
Yeah. Personally, if it's so tight, I will just wait for the 4-hour to close.
Alright, thank you.
So it doesn't matter if 2R is less than 10 pips, I will still lock it. Yes. My rule is strict. 1.5 to 2R. Lock means lock. Secure means secure. But sometimes, like, recently I've been trying to tighten my entries, right? If let's say I take on the 1 minute, like that day I took something on the 1 minute, and my stop loss was like 5 pips or something like that, I think. 2R is 10. And then just lock. Just lock first. What problem? But you never close all, right? I think if you enter on the lower time frame, right? Sometimes if you lock it at BE, then yes, it will come back if the pip count is not more than 10. But the thing is, okay, let's say if you enter, you hit 2R, you secure, and then it comes back to BE and hits you, right? Around your BE area, you can start to look to see whether your support forms again. Because then it will be doing something like a break and retest to your entry price to continue higher. Yeah, so you need to pay attention to your entry price also. Because if you notice, the area we usually enter, right, is at some kind of support or resistance level. So sometimes it will come back to retest. Oh, Freda, I'm talking to Wilson in the chat. Was 40%. Put your stop loss at the original. Okay. But does it hit the original stop loss? I think you need to test to see your win rate over a period of time. Or because GA is very wiki, that's why you always gonna. Price action. Busan, I think better if you test. Then you see overall, right? If you close 40, because if you close 40% of your trade and you leave your stop loss open, right? Effectively, you're leaving 60% open. If it hits you, your loss is still more than your profit. So you end up with net loss. So I rather maybe you take 60-40 if you don't want to, or 50-50 worst case scenario. Then you end up BE. If you want to leave the stop loss open, because the math makes more sense that way. Set my stop loss and TP. Do I change them if I see some changes in the market against my plan? I will never expand my stop loss. It's there to protect you. TP, I will shift it further and further. But it's based on risk reward. So for example, if I entered the trade somewhere at the bottom here just now, then I'm just expanding my TP. That one's fine. In buy from 1733, can you close? Bro, you're in so much drawdown right now. You buy from 1733. Ouch. Oh my god. I don't think he's buying. I think he's sold it. You in buy. You shorted it, right? You sold it, not buy, right? I'm pretty sure.
Bought it, he said.
No, I think his buy means he's in the trade, I think. Because if he buy here, then why the hell are you holding to this drawdown? Doesn't make sense.
Wait, he bought that?
I don't think he bought it. I think he shorted it. Because he's asking, should he close or hold? So I think he shorted it. How to buy gold? Gold is bearish as hell. On the higher time frame is so bearish. I stick to minimum TP 1.5. Yes, 1.5 to 2R is where I will secure some. You gotta watch structure also sometimes. That's why I have a range. You bought, so you're in drawdown now? Like severe drawdown.
Tell him to close out his trade.
Yeah. It's already broke the support here. There's no more trade.
Where did he buy at?
1733.
Why?
I don't know. Now, why did you buy it? No, the thing is, if you bought it at 1733, right? Okay, let's put it on the chart. If you bought it at 1733, which is somewhere around this area here, your stop loss is only below the wicks. You have never, there's no way you can let it go this far unless you trade without a stop loss. Then your account will be the stop loss then. Because this is the only logical place to put the stop loss. Look, all the wicks are forming here.
What time frame was he looking at?
I don't know what time frame. 15. Ravi, send your chart. Let me see where's your entry. I don't think he enters on a very low time frame. I remember his charts is usually 1 hour or 4 hour. Bikram doesn't seem like it. She's still ranging. Yeah. Personally, I wouldn't trade the pound pairs today. Let's be near the. There's like 3.5 hours more to the budget. Meh. I'd rather just wait. Oh, your entry from yesterday. When was it? Yes. Oh, this one. Oh my god. Andy, you should just leave your close 90%, leave 10. Now 10 will go to the moon and further.
Yeah, I
Yes.
closed it all because the RR is already 12, so I'm satisfied enough.
But now it is.
Yeah,
Damn.
and then yeah,
Leave 10% now.
yeah.
Just leave something so
Even-
tiny that it doesn't affect your RR by much on your main trade.
Yeah, I should try that next time.
Can't hurt you because I think your read on the structure is correct. Plus the levels that you aim for, right? They're on the way higher time frame. Because now I think you're starting to execute on the 15 and the 1. So I think your target is like weekly, monthly, so you have damn a lot of area to run, especially if you catch it correct.
Yeah.
Bro, next time wake me up, please, thanks. Maybe I can beat Alexis RR. That's my aim.
Ooh. Vulnerable.
Yeah, you need to live up to the name. Run again. You are king of runners.
You're queen of runners.
Bro, I never even hold my runner. Alexis is the king. He's the prince.
Yeah.
I'm the jester, because I always close my trade early.
Yeah, Alexi in the throne
Yeah, man.
with his beard.
If he's the king, I'm the high priest.
Wow. You're the god.
I wouldn't go that far.
Think it broke support, that's why you bought. Here a lot of wicks, that's why you bought. Oh, you bought so high. Where's your stop loss? No stop loss? So if you... Oh my god. If there's a lot of wicks here, means you think that price is rejecting the downside, right? Your entry should have been somewhere here. Not like way up here. It broke this support too. Why you never enter here? You enter so high. And you need to remember the overall trend, right? On the higher time frame, it is damn bearish. Super bearish. Look, see? 30-minute bullish doesn't mean it's a buy. Oh, sell. Yeah. Close manually, you have no stop loss. Okay, I have nothing to say. Don't trade without a stop loss. Oh. Not your account will be the stop loss. Because if you are waiting for the wicks, right? You can always wait around this. If let's say you see this rejection, the read is not wrong. Like rejection, yes, there can be a push, but you need to get it as low as possible. A clear sign is if you're starting to buy very far away from the price, don't buy it. Means either you FOMO entry or like you just chase the trade going up. Due to its volume, yes. Do you trade other pairs when you're specific? No, I don't really trade other pairs really. Because last time when I traded a lot of pairs, right? Overall, my profitability is not as high as it is now. When I really streamline to only two things, so I subscribe to the model of less is more. Just that most of the time I'm just waiting. Kaunta? No, oh my god. What's this place? Oh, the Japanese restaurant.
Place, you know.
That's my father. No, I didn't go. I didn't go there. See the menu.
Bless you, uncle.
Just visited my mentorship link provided in the description. Is there a place where it shows how much it costs? Yes, clearly you didn't get far enough. But the mentorship is closed. So while it don't apply, it's closed for now. Do I rely on the 15 or 60-minute charts, or do I take into consideration other time frames? I look at the daily, 4-hour, weekly for my trend, my higher time frame trend. Then I have that as my overall bias. Then I drop down to the 15 or the 6, or sometimes a 1 hour to execute. Sometimes even a 1 minute, depends on the time. The link on YouTube. I think if you click far enough, while it's actually somewhere inside the link, you gotta get through it after you get through the questions.
I already put my charts on Discord, so you know what I'm doing.
Oh. I didn't have any entry criteria here, so wasn't any entry. Plus, there's also the PMI news coming out in 12 minutes. I'm waiting for the 4-hour close. But I do think it's those who are in longs held through the range. Good job. It should go up. It's very clean on the left side. 150, 400 shouldn't be a problem. If the budget is positive. If it's shitty for the UK, then bye bye pound. Vic, I have a question. If your chart says this like this, right? Like this, the tab. What time frame is
Wait,
this?
what time frame is it?
Yeah.
It's still 4 hour.
Oh. What's the 360D and the
360 days, I believe that is. Hold on, let me check. Yeah, 360 days.
oh.
Yeah, but that's my swing trade though. And then I had a recent sell trade on my day trading account.
No?
That was when it was it had a channel coming down.
Mm-hmm. This move
Touch.
here.
No,
This.
yeah, hold on. Yeah, so when it was coming down here, that was when I took a sell trade on my day trading account. But I still had a swing trade here for buys.
Oh, okay.
I also put that up on Discord too.
So I just was curious, like, what's this time frame?
Yeah,
Is
it's
this
still
C
4
Trader?
hour. No, it's TD Ameritrade.
Is their internal platform, is it?
Yeah, it's a platform. Yeah, Tradingview and TD Ameritrade is
very off.
It's think or swim.
Mm. Listen, you wanted me to do something at counter that time, right? Oh, it's actually not very expensive for their lunch. Cannot afford the dinner, maybe I go for lunch.
By GJ.
Poor Andy. Damn, Andy, you were right just now. I didn't have any signal to buy this. 115, let me see. Oh. The one maybe. Oh wells. Can we expect a buy on GG? Not now.
I mean, the move is already done.
Yeah, it's done already. Plus, if you are trading the pound, please be aware that there is the budget later. If you want to buy this, you gotta wait for some kind of retracement to happen. So I was waiting around this area here for my buys to happen. Clearly didn't come down deep enough before it exploded. So I missed my buys. So if you're looking for buys, just watch the structure again. This is the most recent resistance. If price comes back to tap, form a support, then buy. But be aware that you are very high. That's about it. So just risk accordingly. The start of the move was here. I take any entry today? Nope. Andy, next time you got idea, you must say out. Say already that we can think together, then you can take it, bruh.
Yeah. I do always refresh my analysis every time daily close. Like last night, I'm gonna start to send my opinion in Discord.
Okay.
You did have some confluence at that 38 too. It tapped the top twice.
Yeah, but I don't like the 38. I bought more times when I bought there, right? I hit my stop loss.
Okay.
Yeah, so I don't trust the 38 for me. Plus I didn't have my entry criteria.
Talking options. Never heard of her.
It's bit cray. Big area.
Talking options. The first thing. Why is it when the first thing I see on YouTube is, or type on YouTube search bar says talking options exposed?
Yeah, because she talks a lot of shit about a lot of traders. And she uses the moon and the stars.
She says she talks a lot of crap about
She's a bit weird.
gurus or something?
Yeah, but the thing is not based on fact, I think. Some
She's
of it
just doing it just to do it.
The entry that was taking my entries off the 32 because in my personal backtesting, I lose more than I win on 38 to entries. Okay, second thing, I was waiting around this resistance, this 50 and the trend line confluence, which is this area here. Didn't give me here, this one. The
I mean, it's understandable because I've been asked that before. It's back multiple times, but I've had bad stories.
Andy, does YouTube buffer for you?
Oh yeah, buffering.
YouTube's fault.
Oh,
Zoom is okay,
YouTube.
right? Like, you don't hear me stuttering or anything, right?
No.
Oh, then I think it's YouTube. Which is weird because the thing says excellent connection, so there's no reason why it should buffer. Usually when this thing is not excellent, then it'll buffer. Weird. Sorry, YouTube. Blame YouTube. Refresh this, does it?
What is TOS?
Sink or swim.
Ah,
I'll tell you this much. She leaves a really good, interesting first impression.
Yep. Oh, look, YouTube is GG. Yeah. I refreshed and then it went error. Oh, YouTube. GG. Oh, now it's fine.
no, GJ. What do you want? Oh, my Q box is weird again.
Why?
You know that the risk column, yeah? It always back to 0. Normally it's always 1, right?
The risk column.
Like on the bottom.
Oh, yes. What's your
But,
settings? Go into your settings.
Hold on.
Your risk percentage of account equity is what number?
Settings 1.
Eh?
Yeah, 1. Now I drag into my chart and it's 0, right? So I change into 1 and then I change time frame and it's back to 0.
Oh.
This is MT4, yeah.
Andy, you got Loom, right? Can you help me record when you change? Record the screenshot I sent to SC.
Okay.
Yeah, because I don't have it on MT5. Maybe it's an MT4 thing. Like, do the entire process, then record the whole thing. I think YouTube is lagging already because I can see Alexis in your background. Yeah. So just now my YouTube was buffering like shit.
Mm.
Bro, I'm recording it now, and it's normal again.
He's playing with you.
Later, if I get it again,
Okay.
I'm gonna record it.
Catch it like a Pokemon.
Yeah. Quick.
Keyboard spying on Andy. Account too big.
Dude, I just watched this girl for like 5 minutes, and all she hasn't talked about trading once. The first 5 minutes, she's just talking about how bad cologne is. Like what? Like what in the hell?
Has she spoken about the moon and stars and Jupiter and shit yet?
What is going on? Like,
Hold on.
Just wait for it. Just wait for it.
Does she only confront Ted or other traders as well?
I think she's confronted other traders as well.
No.
I don't know who though. But that live, yeah, that Ted done with her, that shit was funny to watch, bro. That shit was pure entertainment.
Yeah.
oh, live shows daily. I don't know. It's weird. Why is she? I mean, she's just like, hey, like, this guy's talking about trades in cologne. I was like, okay. So?
Her stream, right? As in her videos, right?
Yeah, man. She's talking
Yeah.
like almost 5 minutes. She's talking about how this dude's like posts about his trades in cologne, and now she's talking about how bad cologne is for your body. I'm like,
That's why I say she's totally random. It's a bit weird. Like, what does cologne have to do with anything? The guy wants to
Right,
smell
I'm like-
nice. He can
like,
smell nice.
like it's like, what? You telling me you're upset because he posts about cologne?
Or it depends on where you consider the pullback to be. Offshore. Cannot tell you because I don't know what time frame you trade. I cannot tell you where the pullback is because every time frame is different.
Andy, look at gold.
Yeah, man.
It's rejecting that one of support.
1 hour support, yeah.
Yep. The buy area.
Also 61.8, I guess.
Yeah, it went back above the 61.
Trade 1 minute. Trade 1 minute, then you should have entered here.
What is the heck?
Yeah, and the pullback is already done. You should have entered like this just now if you trade the 1 minute. Done. So oh, monthly. Oh my god. How to Yeah, what? Okay, I'm not answering that. Like, what does your system tell you? What's your plan? Month. Oh, who trades the monthly, man? Vic, do you trade the monthly?
For what?
I don't know. Do you enter on the monthly?
I mean, I don't know for what.
For your type, for your, let's say on GJ.
On GJ? Sometimes, yeah. Just depends on what I'm
Yeah.
looking at. But I do look at the time frame.
Oh, he means 1 minute.
Yeah. Look, I don't tell tell people how to trade, but I'm telling you guys, the lower time frame you go, the harder it is going to trade because the more precise you're going to have to be.
Yeah, but you need to have your own entry criteria on every time frame. Can't use mine.
And GJ is just not one of those you want to do one in 1 minute. It's too many swings. Yo, what just happened? She just basically said, "Yeah, don't follow this idiot who's posting about cologne along with his trades. Just come to me and I'll just give you free alerts."
Yeah, that's why I said she's weird.
I was like, dude, what the heck?
What if she's not even a human? She's just
He
a
is.
robot. She's just a robot that someone made. That Android.
Miss my reply to your previous question. Let me see this button. No. I missed because I was waiting at a different area for my buy signal to form. So this candle here, right? To me, this bullish. Wait, where's all my zones? Let me put it back. Hang on. Oh shit, my zones are gone. Okay, so 44x for me, I was waiting here. Okay, so I had this confluence area. I was waiting around this area, so I need GJ to pull back deep enough for me. I don't like trading off the 38 shallow fib retracement. I don't like it because I take more losses than wins. So that's why when it formed above, this to me was range. It didn't break out in any direction. So I didn't take the trade. I don't want to take my entry in the middle of the range either. Wait, Max tried to on his mic.
Yeah, he's
Max, you
trying to
gotta
mode.
you gotta change the, you know, under the mute button, right? There's a drop down arrow. Click it and choose your microphone. It should connect, I think.
Well, a drop up arrow, even.
Drop up. I rely on the 38 feet. No, I don't take entries off the 38 feet. I only like this, or sometimes this. Not 38, no. It's no go for me.
Wow, 38 February.
I think he's not native English. Why many people trade GCAT? Cause preference. If you can find the structure on GCAT, Why not trade it? But between GCAT and GJ, to me they are quite similar, so I just choose one that I'm better at, which is GJ. Heisenberg, you can enter on the 1 minute. You just got to trade the 1 minute structure, like what Thiago said. So even if now GJ comes to my 50 or 60. Oh no, this trade is already gone. If it can come back into 51 or 50 or 60 FIP, I'm dead. It's gonna come down. This FIP is invalid already. I need to redraw it. So maybe on this low, this is the latest swing. Need to look for the new 50 to 61 day retracement. Not the original one. Andy, ready? YouTube is buffering again.
No.
Bruh. Anyway, YouTube. The stream will end at the hour after the 4-hour closes, okay? Chill today, please. Don't go ham on the pound pairs. I'll put stop loss based on the 1 minute. Yeah, it's the same thing. Every time frame you trade, right? Just trade that time frame structure. So for example, right? If I cover this, you won't even know that this is a 1 minute chart. Right? But you can clearly see the structure. So this is support. This is where the buyers are holding. If you buy, when the support forms, you see so many levels for you to buy. Buy. Then just put your stop loss. Bullish engulfing, you want to end. If that is one of your signals, then just below the structure, go. If you have 2R, secure 50% close. Next. Secure 50%, leave a runner. If it goes, it goes. Like this one, it went. Oh my god, went to the moon. So charts are fractal, so it should work. Relation FX. I check out your channel and let me know what you think. Let's see. Simulation FX.
Yeah, I'll start talking about talking Ashes, but I will say one thing. She's actually kind of comical because if you watch her videos, she'll have like some dude making sound effects in the background. I'm like, what is that? He's like, yeah.
If you look at all her videos, right? I don't think you've ever seen a video with so many dislikes before.
Yeah, I was like, Jesus, man. I don't know. I just think it's funny. But all right, now I'm gonna start talking about it.
We're mid this week. Oh, I like your thumbnails. They're nicer than mine for sure. Let's see your analysis. Backtesting your FTMO strategy.
Oh, my nose is blocked.
Simulation. Well, why don't you do like... Oh, okay, there's a live chat. That's fine. Oh, I like this. Live backtesting. It's an interesting concept. Do it. Screw the haters. Everyone has their own analysis. Screw it. Trade what you see and your own analysis.
Jesus, man, that was the first comment.
Yeah. Stupid people everywhere. Why
Oh,
don't
you
you
are
give
on
like
YouTube.
yeah, why doesn't this person give constructive feedback? Why doesn't it make sense?
How
Because
do you determine so? Oh, the first
What
comment.
what
Your
what did he
video
answer
analysis
then?
doesn't make sense. Okay.
And let's see what's his answer. Yeah, see? Let me know what didn't make sense. The
And then he
person
didn't say
made
anything.
made
Bro,
a
he's being
useless
nice.
comment.
He's being so nice.
You're being so kind.
Yeah. Just keep doing it. You can do it. I would just say do it for yourself. If you want to post your analysis, trade for yourself. If you want like some kind of feedback, know that there are idiots online. Take it with a pinch of salt, but trust your own analysis.
Yeah, but I think you need to be tough before you go to the internet world.
Oh, you need to
be
draw the
mentally
line.
tough.
Yeah, I draw the
You
line
need
at somewhere.
to have a thicker beef, thicker skin.
Sicker skin.
Yeah. Oh,
Was
my
me,
nose is blocked.
I would shred
Oh,
that
my
person.
nose is blocked.
No, Andy, your nose is not blocked. Go blow it with a tissue. I would shred that person, yeah, because he didn't help anyone.
Dude.
No. What was I looking at? Yeah, simulation. Oh wait, I forgot. Let me give you a subscribe. Ding!
Subscribe.
Guys, go and subscribe if you want to learn more about his backtesting.
No.
I think he does it on the 30. Okay.
And hit that like button.
No,
Okay, hit
I
the
don't
like
wanna.
button.
I don't wanna subscribe you.
Why?
Before you being rude to L.
He didn't.
Just,
He didn't.
oh, this guy.
No, this guy.
Oh,
I was talking about the comment. The other person left a stupid comment that was useless. There, see? This person is the same person again.
That was useless.
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 okay. I will leave a comment.
What do you expect to make in a month in return in percentage? Don't know, because everybody is different. How many trades do you think you will take? You need to have your own set of number of trades. And you'll be using risk reward 1:2. What is your winning percentage? Okay, fine, valid question. Would it be possible to make more gains if you trade more than 3 hours? No. Why do you need to trade so long?
Well, I can't find him.
Simulation FX. Here, let me give you on the Zoom thing. Nah. Yeah, it takes a lot of courage to put yourself out there with your face. So, respect. As long as you're not talking options. To talk smack about other people. She's so weird.
She's a bot, confirmed.
She's a weirdo.
She's a
left a
bot,
dislike.
confirmed.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Yeah, she really sounds like that. The other time, I remember my old mentor had like a video on where she spoke about him, right? Oh my god. Everybody went onto her video and then flamed it. The Hood Rich Family post. Why she keep exposing people? Like, she exposes people, yes, but how come the way she exposed versus what's the other guy that I think I was talking about? CoffeeZilla. CoffeeZilla exposes people in like better way.
Oh, CoffeeZilla doesn't say, hey, like, this guy is shit. Like, come to me and I'll help you out. I'll go pay for these free alerts.
Yeah. Yeah. Welcome, simulation. Thanks.
Hey, you see this guy? Yeah, don't do this guy. This guy sucks. Come to me. I'll give you guys the best alerts.
But CoffeeZilla doesn't sell anything.
そうか。
そうか. One free alerts, text me. Damn. Go on. Oh, she even talks smack about Accused Stokes. Accused Stokes has been around for like the longest time since I first started.
Don't worry, soon you're gonna be up there.
Where she talks smack about me?
Soon she will
I
probably.
don't want. She'll probably insult me for being Asian.
Probably.
I'll send you in Telegram.
Did it happen again?
My only friends.
Oh. Okay, let me donate.
Yeah, it happens again.
Okay. What was that? Wait, I see is here, you can tell him. I see, are you busy? And what's the error again? The risk always goes back to 0, is it?
Yeah, go back to 0. In the settings is 1, but it's 0.
I know why.
Why?
Because your monitor is too big.
Bro, I'm still using my TV, bro.
What did Dell say?
Haven't went there.
Oh, the 4-hour close bullish. Close above everything. Oh, up and away.
Wakefield.
Wickfield. So it pulls back. Pulling back really.
CoffeeZilla. I don't like watching, to be honest.
I also don't watch. The only reason why I know is because Martin told me about him. But at least he has like
I
various
like his,
evidence.
When he exposed other people, but when he's talking about forex or stocks, the thing is he doesn't believe in that investment thing.
Oh.
Like he doesn't think that forex can make money.
Really?
So it's yeah, I think so.
Then what
it's
can make
really
money?
difficult. Yeah.
Then what can make money? Does he say?
Don't know.
YouTube can make money.
Only fans can make money.
But if you think about it, yeah, he's making money by exposing people. So
True. No, but
some
if he doesn't
some shit.
think Forex can make money, then why is he exposing traders? If he doesn't know how to trade.
By his logic, then everyone is fake.
Ooh,
Yeah.
Coffeezilla?
Yeah.
Why is he
Why?
exposing traders when he doesn't know anything about trading?
Yeah.
I don't think it's necessarily about knowing how to trade. He's not telling people not to trade. He's just saying, hey, look, because that market is very sketchy.
Oh, he's just calling all those scammers out.
Yeah. He's basically saying is, look, like if you're gonna do this, you have to understand the risk. A lot of people don't understand the risk, as you've known throughout your years. But watching the markets, people don't really truly understand the risk of trading, let alone
Yeah,
the
but
forex market.
yeah, but that's everywhere. It's not
Yeah,
the. I don't think it's okay. The thing is, when you bought the course, if you buy the lies that people are telling you, right? When it's blatantly obvious, then you can't blame anyone for being scammed. Because everybody has a different belief system. Some people will be attracted to material wealth. Some people will be attracted to value. So like educational value. You are just two different schools of people. So I don't think those people who sell the lifestyle are wrong. It's just that it's the easy and shortcut method to sell. Yeah. But if there will always be baits, right? You trust and you are aiming for that kind of lifestyle, then that is your cup of tea.
I mean, but that's just how he makes his money, though. Or just on YouTube, he sees the inconsistencies of certain people. So yeah, and I'm just gonna say it. I just gotta say a thing too. Like, a lot of the like really intelligent traders, the smart traders, you can't find them easily. By the way, you really can't. Like, you can't just find them on Instagram. You can't find them on Facebook. They're very private people.
Yeah, but the thing is, like, people are thinking that traders is only what they see on Instagram. You see, that's the thing now. The
marketing.
majority of good traders, they don't even show their face.
Yeah, it's for the industry, it's not a good light to really show your face. As you see, when people start funds, it's not a good idea to show your trades. Just because if you're trying to show your business to potential clients, it's not a good idea to like show your strategy to the world. So yeah, I understand that. I understand how people feel, but unfortunately, the world doesn't owe people understanding.
Yeah. Maybe if his only purpose of setting up the YouTube channel is just to create awareness, then that's fine. Because people generally are a bit lazy to find answers, right? I won't be surprised if they really are laundering money.
I don't know. In Instagram, it seems like Lamborghini is so cheap.
Yeah.
Lamborghini.
Lamborghini.
Lambot.
Lambot.
Oh, my
Like,
nose
what?
is stuck. My nose
Oh,
is stuck.
really? You should clear it.
Help me.
Yeah, but that's the glitz and glamour of it all. Like, and the thing is, most of the people are just like, what they'll do is they'll just like rent a land. They'll go to like Los Angeles or some high end place for like a day or maybe a month at most. They'll like rent or like lease a Lamborghini for a couple of days, and then like, oh, look at my lavish lifestyle.
Yep.
But I do agree with you that you shouldn't even show your trading, right?
Mm.
Because you want to keep your bias in neutral. To be honest, you don't need to see or listen to people's opinion, and also you don't need a validation,
Mm.
and you don't need to listen to judgmental from people.
Yeah. I mean, like, I don't mind people showing their trades. I'm just looking at it through a business mindset. Like for me, like for my business, I don't post my trades, like my main trades, like at all. Because for me, if I show that stuff, that could potentially mess with my clients. So like all the trades I post now, that's like off my personal stuff. So it the thing is it's exposure to your investors and to your clients. So if you do that, it's not a good look to
Yeah, I
everybody
know.
else. So
To each their own.
yeah.
It's not a must to show, I feel.
It's really not.
It's really not. Like honestly,
But I do feel, yeah, yes, go on.
I just think that if someone can trade live in front of you and be profitable in front of you, that's enough. But if you're buying something where the person doesn't have a live course, as in doesn't have anything live, right? Then I think there's a problem. Even if you give me my FX book account, I don't believe you either. The screenshots can be manipulated. Even for me, even if I post mine, it doesn't matter. Wow, Evan, you really want to talk about the Elliott wave? Just now we had a conversation about this. I don't know about Elliott wave, man. You gotta ask the Andy Coco.
Bro,
You have to ask
don't go,
Elliot.
don't go there. That's all I can say.
Elliott wave can see a lot of things, I think. Why we draw the wave wrongly? Is it possible to draw
There
the
is
wave
no
wrongly?
right or wrong. I mean, there is a basic rules, but I cannot say to other people's analysis that it's wrong because it's very subjective.
Yeah. Yeah. A lot of lines. Yeah, I suck at this. Cannot ask me. Evan, I thought you used to trade the 1 minute or something. With blocks and stuff. Oh, you're looking at swings.
What? Bored with 1 minute?
This man went from 1 minute to swings.
I
Damn.
went 0 to 100 real quick.
NZD US dollar now bearish. Let's see. I have a feeling it is not.
You said, damn, this man went from 1 minute to swings.
Nope. New York NU is not bearish. How is NU bearish?
I think NU are letters. One, two, three.
Yeah, Evan, look at how many times I enter a trade and I'm waiting most of the time. Just need to hold your trade longer, that's all. hold it properly, like Andy. Yeah. Always good to keep an open mind. NZD USD now bearish. Okay, all I can say is Ravi, I think you need to decide which time frame you take your trend from. Because if you take it on the 1 hour, right? This is not bearish also. This is just a pullback. Because if you look at your fibs, right? If you pull a fib from here, this low to this high, I'm pretty sure this was 78.6. Structurally, I think it is. So it doesn't mean it broke this support, or this support means it's a sell to come down. No, you gotta look at an even higher time frame to find out what's the trend. So yeah.
And I need to clear my nose. Why did you mute me?
Sorry, my hand slipped.
I just want to clear my nose. Wow.
Don't have sinusitis, you cannot clear your nose.
Yes, I do. I got it yesterday. Oh.
Anyway, YouTube, I'm ending the stream in 12 minutes. I'ma go eat. Please trade carefully. If you are still trading today. There's US ADP news and there's the budget. So I'ma chill. No need to lose today. So you have last minute questions? Ask.
Yes.
Nothing.
Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello? Bruh. Blow your nose.
I feel the hand slipping.
Hello there.
Oh there. GJ
Fuck
has
this.
clear area above, but GJ got news. So
You got news.
you got news.
You got mail.
You've got
Hello.
news.
Oh, it was
Don't.
the YouTube young man. My bad.
Don't. Please
Nah, it's
don't.
because someone typed
I
in
know,
the
I
comment,
saw.
yeah, I was about to start singing it, and I was
I
like,
know.
oh shit, we're still on.
I saw. Today I came to the charts in the morning and then I was like, looks like the weekly week view is gonna happen. Just going and going, going. What the hell, man?
What happened if the weekly created lower high?
Dang, 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 dang.
It's gonna fall to 100.
The budget comes out tonight. We have no
Yeah.
money anymore.
Yes.
We are poor.
Brr.
We are. I'm hesitated.
Man turned into a cat.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh,
What is
Oh, no.
popping in the
oh
building?
no.
Wow.
Wow, look at the
Wow.
fade. Wow.
Yeah, you see
Wow.
that? Yeah, boy.
Your camera is off, Guala.
No, it's not.
Ooh, look
Well,
at
like,
him over
camera
here
is off.
looking fresh. Over here
Yes,
looking
sir.
fresh.
Gold paying me. I pay for my cut with the gold trade. Awesome. Yes, sir. I'm gonna just kick back now. Watch my trade.
Yeah, just chill, let it go.
Yeah, TP is approaching. Currently up 60 pips. Can we break the daily support on gold?
Yo.
Oh.
Hmm?
Oh.
Oh yeah, what I was gonna say too with gold, one thing to watch for is treasury yields and the dollar. Because if those keep going up, then the dollar is going to or if those two keeps going up, then gold is going to be lackluster.
It's gonna follow to the downside.
Yeah, but another thing to watch for is all the numbers that are recently coming out now.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, they're about to come out here real soon, huh? ADP
Yeah.
and
So you
they're
really need
expecting
to
positive numbers, so that's
Yep.
good. I'm in a sell already, so
Yeah, so you really need to watch these not only these next 3 days, but these like next couple of weeks. Gold is coming down to some interesting levels. People are still worried about inflation.
mm-hmm. That they even
So
talking about it out here in Belgium. So
yeah, because
you gotta
people are
listen to the rumors.
Yeah, because they're realizing that they're assuming that the dollar can't sustain this forever. It's too much. It has to at some point come back down.
Big facts. Yeah, I just got target to this daily wick fill at the bottom. Then I call it a day on gold. 80 pips and be done. If I can get it today.
What is my plan? Oh, cat sound. What was that cat sound? Someone stepped on their cat.
Bro, that scared the shit.
What am I looking at for GJ? I'm not touching it. Because I already missed my entry just now below.
What is that? Like for real?
It sounds like a chair. But you sure you never kick your cat again?
Not me.
Well,
The day he
used to hate
accidentally
cats.
kicked his cat.
Ping, come here, Ping. Is that you?
Oh yeah, Vic has a cat too. Vic, did you step on your cat?
Yeah, she's a black cat. She's just looking at me like, no, I don't do that.
So anyway, Sylvester, for me, because it's only about 1.5 hours more before the UK budget is released, I'm just not touching GJ. I missed my entry here. I don't want to touch it already. It's done for me. Because I don't know what will happen on the budget. Okay, bye bye YouTube. I will see you tomorrow. Please be careful. Don't blow your accounts. Trade safely. No trade means no trade.
Hit that like button.
Yeah, and hit that like button. Even though I didn't take a trade today.
Oh,
Bye bye.